So a common misconception that I hear is that I crack necks, I crack spines. And I like to tell my patients, I only crack eggs, like this. What I do with spines is we do gentle adjustments, and they're different from infants to adults. With infants, we're gonna do really small movements. With adults, you might hear sounds, which is what people call cracking, but those sounds are just audible release of gas that happens when a joint is stuck. So don't be afraid about chiropractic, because we don't crack spines, we crack eggs and we adjust spines.